Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making muffin, and this is muffin flour. They have already mixed baking powder and sugar inside. So this one is butter or margarine, and this is milk, 2 eggs, and this is chocolate. I've already melted it. So this is muffin cover. So I'll be using this as muffin shape to bake it. So you'll be needing this one, the machine, and this. So I'm going to smooth the butter first. You see, inside the muffin flour, they already have muffin pack extra for you. So I will not be using that one. So I'll be dividing the flour. So I'm going to add the chocolate inside this one. So I'll be dividing the flour. So I'm going to add the chocolate inside this one. So I will be baking it for 25 minutes. So you see, it's ready to eat. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. For the ones that have been coming, you are very welcome. Thank you so much for supporting me.